Hello, lovers of Coca-Cola. How my subscribers are you all doing? I want to show you how to make Coke if you are a lover of Coke. I am, but then Coke is not good if you want to lose weight because it has a lot of sugar. In a bottle of Coke, you have about 14 cubes of sugar in it. So, and then maybe that's about 45 grams or 47 grams in a bottle of Coke. But even the Diet Coke has aspartame sweetener called aspartame, and a lot of, if you look at the back, a lot of other chemicals that they use to make it a Diet Coke. And that messes with your hormones. So you begin to have hormonal problems. And if your hormonal if your hormones are not steady, then it leads to weight gain as well. So you are trying not to drink sugar by drinking Diet Coke or Coke Zero or Diet Pepsi, but you end up on the long run packing on weight. You'll be surprised. Why am I not losing weight? Why am I not losing weight? Because those chemicals that they use in making it diet messes with your hormones. Hormonal imbalance gives you hormonal imbalance, and hormonal imbalance can cause a lot of things. Can cause weight gain, can cause dysmenorrhea, can even cause miscarriages. Give you problems, fertility problems if you have a hormonal imbalance. So I'm going to show you a way out, a safer one, and it tastes exactly like Coke. This is a mineral. This is a sparkling water. Any sparkling water at all that you have, or you can lay your hands on. But I like the one because it's in a bottle. I don't really like the one in plastic containers. You have some in plastic containers, but that doesn't mean it's not good. So just get your sparkling water, and then you also get balsamic vinegar. Balsamic vinegar. This is the type that I like, balsamic vinegar. There are different types, but the most important thing is for you to look at the carbohydrate content. This has 3 grams. So you have some balsamic vinegar that has 10 grams, 11 grams of total carbohydrates or total sugars. So, but then you want to reduce on the sugar uh, level that you are taking. You don't want to take in more sugar because you want to lose weight, but at the same time you like the taste of Coca-Cola. So what you do, you just take about 30 mils of this, and then you put your mineral water. You see, it's even it resembles Coke. So if you want it a little bit darker, you can do up to 60 mils, because this is more than 240 mils. So I'm going to add a little bit to it to make it darker, like Coca-Cola. Okay, so, and that is it. And then to sweeten it, you add so to sweeten it, you add your stevia. I use this the liquid one because it is, if you look at it, it has 0 calories. It has 0 calories. And if you look at the content, it's just the stevia extract that it's made up of, plus purified water. So what you do, you just put some drops, depending on how, about 10 to 15 drops in it, and you stir. Ooh, you stir and drink. Oh my goodness, it tastes like Coca-Cola. It tastes like Coca-Cola. So try it and let me know. So just three ingredients: your mineral water, your balsamic vinegar, and your stevia sweetener. Stevia, we are using stevia sweetener because it's made from leaf extract. It's not the normal sweeteners that are manufactured. This is from a leaf plant sweetening. Okay, all right, thank you. Try it.